Hey YouTubers, gonna pick some more locks today. I've showed you a couple of videos before picking them with paper clips and whatnot. Today I'm going to show you picking 4 different locks with actual lock pick set that I have from SouthOrd.com. Look, here's some of the auto jiggler keys and word keys and picks, some bump keys there. I actually bought those off eBay. It's kind of scary. As soon as I got them in the mail, I put them in my front door and opened my front door with them. Makes you wonder. There's the carrying case that came with. There's 4 locks that I plan on picking in this video. There's a handful of old locks that I bought off of eBay. Some at hobby stores and hardware stores, garage sales, whatnot. But hopefully this video works here. Get these picked as fast as I can for you. Start off with a master lock number 130. That's the one I picked with the paper clip. Let's see. Sometimes you can get these right away. Sometimes it takes a couple of frustrating minutes. Sometimes the pins get stuck in there. Get them to fall back down. Come on. There we go. Master lock 130, open. This is a lock off a desk drawer or filing cabinet, something like that. I bought it brand new at Menards. It's never been put on. I actually lost a little piece that slides out and locks. Might be in the toolbox. These are pretty easy to open. If I can figure out which way I need to turn it. There we go. Got that one to turn, now it's locked. This doesn't have any name on it. Looks like a master lock, but it's not. It just says hardened steel 40mm. Got the keys on it. That was an easy one. This is another master lock. It's not your typical master lock. It's a master lock number 17. I believe it's called a ward lock. See how the key doesn't look like your normal key like you would see on this lock. It's got square teeth on both ends. I think it's supposed to make it harder to pick. But when you got a set of word keys, like came with my set here, there's 4 or 5 of them on here. All you gotta do is get the right key for that lock, stick it in there, turns right open. There's so many different ways to pick all these locks, and they're so easy. Once you figure it out, it ain't even funny. It's really kind of scary. Well, thanks for watching. There's the 4 locks that we picked again. And that's the tools I used right there. You can make those yourself if you wanted to. The quality of these SouthOrd ones is really good. It's double thick on the ends. It's hard to show on this camera. I can't get it to focus. Then there's also these ones. They're slim ones. You never know when you're gonna need a thinner one. They bend a little bit. I've actually got a couple of these I cut down, fit inside your wallet. You never know when you're gonna need them. Get locked out of the house or something. Well, thanks guys. Any comments, feel free to post questions. Make fun of how I did it or why I'm doing it. I don't really care. It's something that a lot of people can't do, and I completely taught myself how to do it from on the internet. Thanks.